At Senda Monteverde, sustainability is part of our design. It guides our everyday decisions and plays an important part in our guest experience. We're fortunate to exist within one of the world's rarest ecosystems. With such intense biodiversity on our doorstep, we make it our mission to minimize our footprint. That's why our guest rooms use solar water heating. We have a meticulous recycling center, and we create and repair furniture in our on-site woodshop. Sustainability to us means we hire local talent, offer equal employment opportunities and career growth for women, and invest in our community and the well-being of Monteverde. At Senda Monteverde, we believe that sustainable hospitality is local hospitality.